We need to know our big goal. If we're playing basketball and we have no idea where the hoop is, are we going to be able to score a goal?
No.
No, we've got to figure out where that goal is, and we have to know what our goal is and how we get there. Our learning goal today is I am learning how to solve addition problems using strategies. That is our big goal. Our success criteria, how we're going to get there, I can use objects or pictures to show the problem. I can find the sum of a group of 10 and another number. Ready to rock?
Ready to rock, start, sweat.
Mirror.
Mirror.
I am learning
I'm learning
how to solve
how to solve
addition problems
addition problems
using
using
strategies.
strategies.
I can
I can
use objects and pictures
objects and pictures
to show the problem.
to show the problem.
I can
I can
find
find
the sum
the sum
of a group of 10
of a group of 10
and another number.
and another number.
Ready to rock?
Ready to rock, start, sweat.
Once we know what our goal is, then we are ready to work toward that goal. But first we have to know what is that goal that we're looking for. Our goal today is to solve addition problems using strategies. We want to use different strategies to solve these addition problems. How we're going to do it? We're going to show the problem. We're going to show the problem using objects or using pictures. Once we show that problem, we're going to find the sum. What does sum mean? Kaiden?
The sum means answer of a addition problem.
It's the answer to an addition problem. All right, rock stars, let's take a look at one of our word problems today, and let's see if we can use our success criteria to meet our learning goal. Kaiden has 20 green toy cars and 5 blue toy cars. How many toy cars does Kaiden have? What two numbers are we going to be adding together here? Isabella? 20 plus 5. Now my first step in my success criteria is I can use objects or pictures to show the problem. So we know that we have 20 plus 5. We need to choose objects or pictures to show the problem. When I say go, level 0, show the problem using objects or pictures. Ready? Go. So I see you put 25, Isabella, and I'm wondering, how do you know?
Because it's 20 and 5, and it's 2 10s and 5 1s.
2 10s and 5 1s. Can you use the objects to show me that? Derek is using objects to show. Friends at home, when you're ready, show me your boards. I see Peyton is using pictures to show the problem. Tell me what you have here.
I have 2 10s and 5 1s.
Okay, so you used the first step of your success criteria, you used objects to show the problem. And what's the next part of the success criteria?
And the next part, so this part, I can use objects or pictures to show the problem. Can I find the sum for a group of 10 and a number?
What is the sum?
What is a sum? It's addition problems, or your answer.
Your answer. So when you put 20 and 5 1s together, what is your sum?
What is your sum? It is 25.
Awesome. right, friends at home, I'm going to spotlight a couple of pictures to show you using pictures to show the word problem. Thank you, Emily, for sharing yours. I just spotlighted Caitlin's. I'm going to spotlight Emily's right now. Friends in the classroom, how many tins? Hands on heads or shoulders. Ready, go. Zachary's hands are on his shoulders. Caiden's hands are on his shoulders. Isabella's hands are on her head. All right, friends, how many tens are in the number 20? How many tens do we have in the number 20? 2. Peyton? 2 tens. How many ones are in the number 20? 5. Isabella? 5 ones. First thing you need to do is I can use objects or pictures to show the problem. Did you use objects or pictures to show the word problem? We did, so I'm going to check that piece off. Did you find the sum? Who can tell me what is the sum of 20 plus 5? Derek?
20 plus 5 is 25.
It equals 25. So looking at my next piece of my success criteria, did we find the sum of 20 plus 5?
Yes.
Yes. Get your ball ready. Look at your success criteria. Did you meet both pieces of your success criteria?
Yes.
All right, ready? Take the ball. Look back at your learning goal. I am learning how to solve addition problems using strategies. Did you use strategies today to solve your addition problem?
Yes.
Take the ball. Ready? Go. All right, friends, ready to rock?
Ready to rock, start, sweat.
Ready to rock?
Ready to rock, start, sweat.
Today you demonstrated for me that you are using objects or pictures. Some friends at home are using pictures. I spotlighted Huxley. Awesome job using 2 tens and 5 ones. Caitlin, thank you for sharing that with us. And Emily, thank you for sharing that with us. I see your work, Angel. Awesome job. You showed me that you are using objects or pictures to show the problem, and then you found the sum. Ready to rock?
Ready to rock, start, sweat.
When I say go, clear the boards, pieces in your bag. Ready? Go. Today you showed me that you are using your success criteria to meet your learning goal. Once you know what your goal is, you're ready to work toward it. How does my feedback while you're working toward your goal, how does that help you? What's the purpose of that? What's the purpose of my feedback? How does that help you? Caitlin?
The feedback helps you so that if you miss something, you can send feedback to them and then they can know what to fix. And
Okay.
then they can learn more.
Knowing what to fix and helping you learn more, helping you grow. Sometimes feedback is not always telling you what you've missed, but it's telling you how we're going to take this and apply it to something new. Where are we going next with our learning goal? Because is our learning goal always the exact same thing?
Yes.
Always? Every day? All year you've had the same learning goal? No. Our learning goal is changing as we grow, and we grow in our math and our reading and all subjects. Our learning goals change. So we oftentimes have different goals, and our feedback helps us to see what's our next goal that we're going to work toward. Kaiden, you ready to be the teacher?
Use of addition problems using strategies. Can I use objects or pictures to show the problem? Yes. Can I find the sum of a group of tens and numbers? Yes, I can.
What you'll notice after he does his self-assessment, he then goes and shows me how he's doing that. So I want you to take a look and see that after he does his self-assessment, he's going to walk me through how he's doing it.
And then here I have 40 plus 6. 90 plus 6 equals 96. 60 plus 5 equals 65. And then 40 plus 2 equals 42. 80 plus 1 equals 81.
All right. As Kaiden just took over teacher right there, what are some things you noticed about his work? What are some things you noticed about his work? Zachary? He did. You noticed he rewrote it on top. That's when I watched him working, and I noticed that was as he was going back through, that kind of helped him to remind himself what he was adding together as he was explaining it. Did Kaiden use his success criteria?
Yes.
Did Kaiden score a goal? Yes, he used his success criteria to meet his learning goal. Today, you are going to use your success criteria to meet your learning goal. We're going to start by telling me 40 plus 5, and then you're going to use the number generator to find different groups of 10 to show me that you can solve addition problems using strategies. When you're working today, I want to hear you, when you turn it into me, I want to hear your recordings telling me what is your learning goal, what is your success criteria, self-assessing yourself to determine if you are meeting your learning goal, and then show me how. Show me how you know you're meeting your learning goal. That's the key that I'm looking for today. What's your learning goal?
I am learning how to solve addition problems using strategies.
And how do you do this?
I can use objects or pictures to show the problem.
Okay, so here, can you tell me how did you show 80? What did you use to show 80?
My object.
You used objects? Okay, so how many of them are there?
There are 8 tens, and I've done only one.
Okay, so you're going to continue to show that, and then after you show that problem, what's the next part of your success criteria?
Can find the sum of a group of 10 and another number.
And what does sum mean?
It means the answer.
Awesome. Keep it up. So I heard you doing your self-assessment, and now I'd like you to go back and walk me through each of your problems and talk me through how you're getting your sum, okay?
Okay. I can use objects or pictures to show the problem.
Okay, after you use objects and pictures to show the problem, and I see here, what are you showing me with those objects?
I'm showing you the sum.
You're showing me the sum, okay? Now, what do the two 10s represent?
20,
Okay, and what does the two 1s represent?
2,
So what two numbers are you adding together?
22,
What two numbers are you adding together?
20, and a 2.
Ah, and what's your sum?
22.
And then total is 52. 5.
When you recorded, did you walk? I think I saw you walking me through and pointing to your 1s and your 10s to show me what they each represented. Awesome. And did you record your self-assessment?
Mm-hmm.
Okay, today, do you feel that you learned how to solve addition problems using strategies?
Mm-hmm.
What strategies did you use?
I used objects.
You used objects. Do you feel comfortable using pictures?
Mm-hmm.
Yes? Awesome. One thing you can do to extend it is go back through and add pictures to show me another way to solve it. So below, do pictures to show me a different way to solve it. As you finish, you can go to your math stations. Friends at home, we have about 3 minutes to finish up your math work. I'm going to be listening for your self-assessment and hearing you walk through how you are completing your assignment and how you know you're meeting your learning goal using your success criteria. If you do finish early within these 3 minutes, you can go on to your math stations on Seesaw.
My learning goal is I am learning how to solve addition problems using strategies, and my success criteria questions are
Can I use objects or pictures to show the problem? Can I find the sum of a group of 10 and a number? Yes, I can. 40 plus 3 equals 43. 20 plus 2 equals 22. 10 plus 8 equals 18. 60 plus 6 equals 66. 40 plus 5 equals 45.